Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 cheaper than from Black Friday. Our adoration for the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 gaming laptop knows no bounds, and the good news just got better. Its price has dropped significantly, making it an even more enticing buy compared to its Black Friday offering. Amazon has slashed the price of this gaming powerhouse by a staggering 17%, now available for just £1199.99. Even at its original retail price, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 was a steal, but this recent markdown makes it an absolute steal. This impressive machine not only delivers top-notch gaming performance, but also flaunts exceptional portability. Now, with this incredible discount, Amazon offers you a golden opportunity to experience exceptional gaming on the go without breaking the bank. However, act fast, as this deal won't last forever. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out for its sleek design, packing robust performance in a portable frame, a feat seldom achieved by other laptops. This particular model comes equipped with a capacious 1TB SSD, ensuring you'll never run short on storage for your beloved gaming collection. Examining the price history graph of the past 30 days for the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 tells an intriguing story. It's currently more budget-friendly than it was during the Black Friday sales. This unprecedented drop in price makes it an opportune moment to seize this gaming marvel. Our review gave the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2022 a stellar rating of 4.6 out of 5. Commending its sleek design and impressive performance. We praised its ability to handle modern games with ease, hailing it as a standout gaming laptop offering the perfect equilibrium between potency and portability. Featuring a Quad HD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, this model strikes a commendable balance between visual brilliance and performance, all at an attractive price point. This combination of the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor and Radeon RX 6800S graphics ensures a seamless gaming experience for the latest titles. In conclusion, for those seeking an affordable gaming laptop that doubles as a reliable productivity companion, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is unequivocally our top pick. This limited time discount further cements its position as an irresistible choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike.